There's a powerful tool called Vizard that I've been testing, and honestly, it might be the most effective app for creators sitting on mountains of long-form footage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Vizard does and the step-by-step process I use to turn one long video into a massive stack of ready-to-post clips. If you are currently producing content for YouTube, Twitch, or podcasts, stick around because this workflow is going to save you countless hours. First off, understand that Vizard isn't a deepfake generator. Instead, it's an intelligent assistant built specifically for creators. It analyzes your existing long videos, isolates the moments most likely to perform well, and helps you schedule them across your social platforms. Think of it like having a dedicated growth team living inside your dashboard, handling all the tedious chopping, tagging, and scheduling for you. Getting started is straightforward, as you can create an account and immediately land on a clean, intuitive dashboard interface. Uploading is incredibly simple, whether you're dragging a local file or connecting your YouTube, Google Drive, or cloud storage directly. That direct connection is huge because it eliminates the need to download massive files and re-upload them again. The real magic happens when Vizard scans the video and identifies moments with high engagement signals like audio spikes or laughter. It then proposes a handful to dozens of potential viral clips, each with suggested titles, timestamps, and thumbnail options. The AI doesn't just guess. It relies on patterns from currently trending content to match those signals to your specific footage. You always maintain control, as you can scrub through the suggestions, tweak in and out points, and adjust captions before approving. Vizard then auto-generates captions and aspect ratio variants so you get native-feeling posts for TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts simultaneously. In one real-world test, I uploaded a 1-hour live stream and the system returned 18 solid clip suggestions in under 5 minutes. One was a 20-second rant perfect for TikTok, while another was a 45-second feature walkthrough ideal for Instagram. You can even edit everything inline by adding stock B-roll, motion graphics, or a branded intro to polish your final output. For those who love batch workflows, the bulk edit area lets you apply templates across multiple clips to save even more time. The scheduling feature is where Vizard truly blows other solutions out of the water, allowing you to set a consistent posting cadence. You can manually drag clips into the calendar, change publish times, or let the AI select the optimal windows for your specific audience. Team collaboration is equally smooth, allowing you to invite editors or VAs to comment on drafts and lock versions before they go live. Compared to manually juggling Google Drive and separate editing software, this all-in-one flow is a total game changer for small teams. When you compare this to other tools, you realize that while some apps generate synthetic videos, Vizard is built for recycling your real identity. It avoids the pitfalls of basic auto editors by including essential social-first optimizations like captions and platform-specific metadata. Privacy is also handled with care, giving you granular control over whether your clips stay private, go to drafts, or get scheduled. The analytics dashboard is surprisingly robust, showing view counts and watch time heat maps to help you understand what your audience actually likes. One pro tip is to upload a long podcast episode and let Vizard find all the bite-sized takes to drip out over several weeks. While it works best with spoken content, you'll want to spend a moment cleaning up transitions if your footage is highly cinematic. Ultimately, if you're serious about repurposing content, this tool is one of the few that actually multiplies your output without doubling your workload. I'll drop a link in the description to the free trial so you can poke around and test it with one of your own long videos. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to post more consistently, Vizard might be exactly the productivity booster you've been looking for.